Under a gray sky, Mirha and Hussein splash through puddles in their garden. Mirha's eyes light up as she spots something gleaming near a flower bed. She and Hassan rush towards the glimmering find. Mirha asks, her voice filled with curiosity, "Which lock does this open?" Hussein repeats, echoing her question, "Which lock does this open?" In the tranquil garden, Mirha and Hussein gaze intently at the key, its secrets yet to unfold. A shimmering rainbow door materializes before them, a gateway to the unknown. They exchange excited glances, a silent question passing between them, as trepidation and excitement flicker in their eyes. With bated breath, they insert the rainbow key into the lock, a pivotal moment hanging in the air. With a satisfying click, the door swings inward, revealing a magical world bathed in warm, inviting light. Mirha and Hussein step through the rainbow door, entering a realm bursting with vivid colors and fantastical wonders. A chorus of joyful cries erupts as talking animals eagerly welcome the children to their enchanted home. Flying swings soar through the air, inviting Mirha and Hussein to embrace the boundless freedom of this magical world. The wise old owl greets them warmly. "Welcome, brave children! We have been waiting for you. This world is thankful for your arrival."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.